just won set 1. Things were looking good. That's where we're gonna pick up right here at 0-0. Get your butts back. No one's hitting on the 10-foot line today. Not in this gym. Okay! Good work, good work. Hey, right back. All the momentum's on our side. Let's get it right back. Let's go, ladies. Timeout, timeout. Right now we're making them think about every shot that they take because our defense has been starting to make plays. So let's find 17 and let's shut her down. Hey, let's go. Be big up there. Come on. Talk early. Get the base. Great job. Way to be smart. Use this. Over, over. Good job, Mac. You have to get back more on a single block. You have to. You have to be deeper. Watch when Megan goes to set. They're all going this way. Hey, all that this means is now we gotta go out and fight even harder. Just making sure that we're in. Deep corners always are working. You can still come back and win this set, but we gotta start right now. Let's go. Control our time. Yes, it's up. Free ball. Hey, was that me? That was my point. I got that point. Over, over. She's like, let's have you come in really loud and let's send it to one of our pins. If that happens, just like scream bloody murder. Hey, we'll take that. What I was telling her is we're just gonna maybe not swing as much, get over there quicker and then just go up. Okay, so right now we gotta execute this ball right here. Relax, big point, you gotta fight. Just in, talk here. Go, go, in! I might have been upset if we didn't get the call there. Oh, that's cute. I literally don't care if you're in the wrong place because if that happens, we can make plays. Hey, find their hitters here. Good. Covering still, let's go. Good job, Alexi. Good spot. Just transition deeper so you have more room to run and approach. They're setting her really far outside that antenna. So bringing that in, so middles have less to get to, and then we have a coverage ball. When we go out, we're gonna sprint onto the court, and we're gonna get really excited to win this set. We'll take that. Good job, good job. Nice job, ladies. Great job, great job. Good game, ladies. Good game. Nice job. Good game. Good game.